A month after the BJP assumed power in West Bengal, the state government has launched a comprehensive statewide survey of madrasas, seeking detailed information on their legal status, infrastructure, staffing, student strength, and overall functioning. The exercise, announced by the Department of Minority Affairs and Madrasa Education, is being positioned as an administrative review aimed at creating an updated database of madrasa education across the state. According to officials, all district magistrates have been directed to submit detailed reports by July 5. The survey is expected to provide the government with a clearer picture of how madrasa institutions are functioning and whether they comply with existing regulations. Under the June 5 notification, district administrations have been instructed to collect extensive information from madrasas across the state. The data being sought includes exact location of the madrasa, year of establishment, registration details, availability of valid legal documents, number of students enrolled, number of teaching staff, number of non-teaching employees, nature of the institution, including whether it is residential, whether it is government-aided, privately aided or unaided, and details of courses and subjects being taught. Officials say the information will help the administration create a comprehensive record of madrasa education in West Bengal and identify gaps in documentation or regulatory compliance. A senior state government official has described the survey as an administrative and planning-oriented exercise rather than a policy overhaul. According to the official, the government wants verified information that can be used for future educational planning, student welfare initiatives, infrastructure development, and maintenance-related decisions. The administration maintains that the primary objective is to build an updated database that reflects the current status of madrasa education in the state. The official also stated that district-wise reports would help authorities identify missing records, documentation gaps, and compliance-related issues. Any future decisions, the government says, will be taken only after the findings are examined. One of the key aspects of the survey is verification. Officials have been tasked with checking whether institutions possess the requisite registrations and legal documentation and whether they are operating in accordance with applicable rules. Reports indicate that if any irregularities or unauthorized activities are discovered during the review process, they will be examined separately. However, the government has not announced any proposal to alter the existing madrasa curriculum, academic framework, or educational structure at this stage. This distinction is significant because the exercise is likely to attract political scrutiny amid ongoing debates over madrasa education and regulatory oversight. The survey comes at a politically sensitive time in West Bengal. The BJP recently ended the Trinamool Congress's 15-year rule in the state, ushering in a new administration which has already initiated several policy changes in the education sector. As a result, the madrasa survey is being viewed not only as an administrative exercise but also through a political lens, given the BJP's long-standing emphasis on institutional accountability, documentation, and regulatory oversight. While the government insists the exercise is routine and developmental in nature, opposition parties are likely to closely monitor how the findings are used once the survey is completed. The Madrasa review follows other recent education-related decisions taken by the new government. Most notably, the BJP administration has made the singing of Vande Mataram mandatory during morning prayers across educational institutions in the state, including madrasas. District administrations now have until July 5 to submit their reports. Once the data is compiled, the state government is expected to review the findings and determine whether any institutions require further scrutiny, assistance, or corrective measures.